Yeah. I am watching you, sir. I'm watching.
Yeah, yes, great, great. Nice to see you, Mr. Bharti. You are
I
fantastic.
am I am also nice to meet you, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Great, great. It's my pleasure that you call me. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure for me that you have called me. You called me today. Well,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. I am I am sir MK Bharti from Delhi.
Yes, sir. Yeah, please, please go ahead, sir.
Uh, Sir, I am trying to learning English
Yes.
last 10 years.
Last 10 years you have been trying.
Yeah. Because I am working in the garment industries, where is manufacturing the garment.
I
But
see.
earning and learning is very difficult for me because my working are the 12 and 14 hour. So
Yes,
I did not found the time for the learning. So
yes,
this is the very difficult for me. But
I
now, when the last time the last year the lockdowns,
mhm.
I watched some video on the YouTube channel. That's
Yes,
tool. That tool I found my build the foundation
yes,
because right now technology of the digital is a very important.
yes, sir.
आपको आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. बस
Yes,
only only search the YouTube and the learn the
yes,
each and
yes,
everything is available there.
yes, yes.
Sir, last year I watched the 2 month period of the lockdown.
Yes.
I watched the I watched the English news. I watched the many type of the video, and then I learned the some vocabulary and the sentence the remember. याद किया
Yes,
मैंने.
yes, yes, sir.
लास्ट 9 year जितना भी वाट एवर आई लर्न द 9 years और बिटवीन द 1 year यानी लॉकडाउन टू लॉकडाउन आई लर्न द 1 year यानी उतना मैंने एक साल में लर्न किया.
अच्छा.
एंड हाँ, then I am speaking the some sentences, but it is the not good because I where I am working there is the important of the English, not in my company. Every in every place, every country is the English is the importance. But
Yes,
English is the not the weakness of the work. English is the not weakness of the work. But English is the giving the extra power in your work.
great.
Understand,
I
sir?
agree. I agree.
Yeah. Then but I want to talk. I searching. I am searching the such friend who want to talk with me, but
Yes,
nobody is here, and I I hesitate also. So this is the very difficult. I last Sunday I talked to my friend. He know
yes,
the some English. He know the some English. मैंने कहा कि डियर मेरे साथ डिस्कस करो यार, कुछ मैं इंप्रूव करना चाहता हूँ. तो कहने लगा कि सर आई हैव नो टाइम, आई एम वेरी बिजी. मैंने कहा कि ओनली गिव 15 मिनट, ओनली 15 मिनट्स. बट ही डिनाई द गिविंग द टाइम बिकॉज नो बडी वॉन्ट टू कि आप सीख जाओ. ठीक है सर. तब मैंने सोचा अच्छा लास्ट संडे आई सो योर वीडियो सर. मैंने कहा दैट इज द फैंटास्टिक. खुदा ने मुझे अब लर्निंग करने का दे दिया है, बात करने का दे दिया है. ठीक है
great.
सर. हाँ, तब मैंने कहा कि बस देखो खुदा ने कहीं कहीं से रास्ता निकालता है. दैट पर्सन डिनाई accept my request, and same day I saw your video on the YouTube. I am the very pleased. Now I can speak in English.
Yes, yes. You will, sir. You will. It's not big deal.
Sir,
You will.
only talk to you. I am make the confidence.
Yes.
First
Great.
time, first time I am talking to you. I am
Yeah.
I am the not practice. Only talk the छोटी छोटी small video myself recording the video only. First time I am talking to you.
Yes,
I
yes.
don't know. I don't know what is the wrong and what is the correct. But I speak it.
Yeah. That's what we want. That's what we want. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Matter is that you have to speak. The matter is you must speak. You have to speak. You know, this is called. This is matter.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? आप मेरी बात को समझ रहे हैं सर? ये मायने नहीं रखता. ये मायने नहीं रखता कि आप गलत बोल रहे हैं या सही बोल रहे हैं. मायने ये रखता है कि आप बोले, प्रयत्न करें. प्रयत्न मायने रखता है. प्रयास, प्रयत्न मायने रखता है.
Okay.
समझे आप?
जी
सही गलत की वैल्यू है प्रयत्न की, प्रयास की, ट्राइंग की, ट्राई.
जी.
ट्राई.
हाँ, yeah. I hope if you discuss with me the 4 and 5 times, I will become the good English. मैं अच्छा बना सकता हूँ कुछ दिन अगर बात करें तो. क्या could you give me the some minute per day या couple of day या और week within a week 2 and 3 days? Is it possible, sir?
Yes. No, sir. I will provide you a partner. I will provide you a partner with whom you can practice your English every day.
That is fine, sir. ये सही रहेगा. ये सही रहेगा.
I'll provide you. Don't worry, partner. Even though I have some books as well. I'll provide you as a PDF form, so you can extra activity. I have some book as well, so you can read that book as well. It's a fantastic book.
I have the many books because
Yes.
I am trying to learn English for the 10 years. I purchased the many books. I purchased the many books, but not got the benefit the book. Only got the benefit from the digital YouTube. It is a very beneficial.
Yes, I see. But sir, you have been learning your English past 10 years, isn't it? Okay. How are you learning English? How are you learning? Only reading or only listening? What are you doing? What were you doing past 10 years? What were you doing past 10 years? I want to know. आप क्या कर रहे थे पिछले 10 साल से? आप किस तरह पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं? मैं ये जानने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ आपसे कि आप किस तरह से सीख रहे हैं. आप मुझे बताइए.
Okay. Understand. Actually, I can't understand. My listening power is weak. Understanding power is weak. When you ask me any question, I could not understand. It is my weakness point.
No, sir,
Okay. Don't worry, sir. You ask me. Tell me what is the procedure learning of the English last 10 years? Yes, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, I purchase book, reading the 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half hour, 1 hour. When will you got the time? I learn the book, a small book, not the big book. First, learn the grammar book, then the small book, always I am reading a small book. That book was my child, because the class standard 5 and 6 English medium book is very useful. The reading the book, reading for it.
I see.
Then after that, sometimes I my build the learning power. Then I reading the newspaper on the digital Times of India, Hindustan Times of the mobile.
I see.
Right now,
Yes.
I am reading the newspaper and listening the listening the news, and the listening the many type of the learning the listening video which was available on the YouTube.
Yes. Great.
But I am working last 22 years in the garment industries. Uh, but when I lost the job,
Yes.
then I practiced the English. When I,
Yes. Yes.
when I was the leisure time, khali time. When
Yes.
when when we had the leisure time, then I practiced the English. In period of the working, I did I got have the time, but
Yes.
leisure of the time I learning, practice, reading. That is my method, sir.
Yeah. तो सर आप पिछले 10 साल से सिर्फ रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, ये नहीं चलेगा। आप क्या कीजिए, आप पिछले 10 साल से सिर्फ आप रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत लिसनिंग कर रहे हैं, नहीं, ये गलत है सर। ये गलत नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, ये आपके प्रयत्नों में कमी है, आपके प्रयत्नों में कमी है। आपको बात करनी पड़ेगी। इफ यू वांट टू लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश, यू हैव टू टॉक।
Yeah.
That's the only way, you know. That's the only one medicine. If you want to learn spoken English, you have to talk now. अभी आप क्या कीजिए, प्लेस कीजिए, ये कीजिए आप कि आप रोज हाफ एन आवर इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करेंगे किसी न किसी के साथ, स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस।
कोई नहीं है ना सर, मुझे प्लीज प्रोवाइड एनी पर्सन।
I will provide you, sir. Don't you worry. I will provide you. मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, पर आपको डेली हाफ एन आवर देना पड़ेगा सर। डेली हाफ एन आवर आप बात करेंगे,
दूंगा सर, दूंगा।
और मोर देन इनफ है। हाफ एन आवर ज्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ आधा घंटा, ये बहुत ही इनफ है। आधा
जी,
घंटा अपना 100% बहुत बढ़िया, काफी काफी है सर।
आई नो, मुझे पता है सर। आधे घंटे के लिए कोई पार्टनर दे दीजिए सर, विद इन 15 डेज इंशाल्लाह मैं बहुत अच्छा बन जाऊंगा सर।
इंशाल्लाह, क्यों नहीं सर। मैं तो यही दुआ करूंगा खुदा से कि आपने हमारे हर भाई अच्छी इंग्लिश बोले, जो तकलीफ में है, जो प्रयास कर रहे हैं, सभी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोले। मैं यही प्रयत्न कर रहा हूँ, यही कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं यही दुआ कर रहा हूँ।
क्या सर आप मुझे कब से देना चालू करेंगे सर? कौन है बंदा वो? प्लीज मुझे आप दे दीजिएगा, नंबर दे दीजिएगा। मैं I'll call you and then I practice with her या him each।
ओके, आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर अपना नाम लिख कर भेजिए मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर, मैं आपको तुरंत प्रोवाइड करता हूँ। विद इन 5 मिनट आई प्रोवाइड यू, विद इन 5 मिनट। Not only one, I'll provide you 100 of people. Not only one, I'll provide you.
Okay sir, thank you sir. सर इट इज ये मेरे लिए क्या बोलते हैं, मेरे लाइफ की टर्निंग पॉइंट हो सकती है ये वीडियो, अगर आपने मुझे फ्रेंड दे दिया ना सर। लाइफ की टर्निंग पॉइंट, बिकॉज कि आई नो कि इफ आई स्पीक द इन कंपनी, इन माय एनवायरनमेंट एंड द वर्किंग प्लेस, माय सैलरी 101% इंक्रीज द डबल। because
Yes,
sir, I work honestly, hard working. But
yes,
English is my weak.
yes, I see.